Hello everyone, good evening. Just let me check if I'm audible and visible there, then we'll start. Just a sec. Yeah, I think I'm visible and audible there. So today we'll be discussing, as topic is profit and loss. So we'll be basically doing profit and loss, few questions from profit and loss, few questions from time and work, and few questions from allegation mixed. Okay, three like that kind of combination. Okay. We'll be doing this much questions today. So again, so till now we have covered, just let me just like, if someone is watching first time, so till now we have covered sequence and series, logarithms, we have covered functions, we have covered TST. Okay, so this much portion we have covered, and today we'll be doing time and work, profit and loss, one SICI question and one or two allegation and mixture. So these four topics we'll do one two few questions there. Fine. So before we start, a few things there that I am Rahul Anant. I am a computer science engineer from NIT Uttarakhand. I am currently pursuing my MBA at FMS Delhi, and I'm a serial 99.5 plus percentile in CAT. And this is my profile link. You will also get this in the description of this this lesson. Okay, this video you will get this link. Just go to this link, you will get a lot of courses there that I have covered, lot of things there related to your CAT preparation. You can get all the things there. If you are a plus subscriber, you'll be getting, like, you can go to the plus courses and you can enroll for that. If you are a not a plus, then also you can watch special classes there. Okay, and this is my referral code if anyone is planning to take subscription for 2021, or if you're targeting OMAT exams, like there is enough time for IFT and all other exams, then also you can go for this. You can take the subscription, use my referral code Rahul Anant. You'll be getting the discounts, that maximum discount that will be there available right now. I think that is 10%. So using this code there, you'll be getting 10% stand discount there. Okay, so meanwhile we start. If you guys have any comments, any queries, you can just put in the live session in the chat box there. I am having a look at this thing, so I will know that. Before we start, one more important thing there, I hope you all are aware of now. At least we are talking about this scholarship test so many times. So this happens every Sunday at 5 o'clock. Every Sunday at 5 o'clock, 14-minute test, as expected in your, like, as is going to be in your exam. 14-minute test, and there will be this test. If you give this test and you get in the top 50 scorers, you'll be getting 5k worth Amazon vouchers. Okay, and you'll be also getting depth analysis of this thing. Once this test is over at 7 o'clock, like after 1 hour break, 1 and a 15-minute break, you'll gonna get the live analysis. Same day you'll be getting the live analysis of this the test that will happen there. Fine. So this is a very interesting and good thing there. You must you all must go for this thing. That will be not only like helpful in your profession, will be also getting 5k worth Amazon voucher. At this point of time, I think you must give. There cannot be any other better opportunity. This is the time you are the most prepared there. Fine. And this is your very important thing. Also important topics for CAT 2020 will be covered. Okay, so must for this also you'll get the link in the description of this video or in the comment section. You can, like, you'll get the soon. Okay, so enroll for this class. Important topics will be covered. Your these and your these topics will be covered. Okay, so must go to the description. There you will get the link. Just click on that, enroll for these courses. Okay, so now start for today's agenda or today's discussion. So for today's discussion will be on profit and loss, time and work, SIC, and the remaining part of the arithmetic that I just told there. So this is your first question, and the first question. Try this question, then we'll come to the discussion part. So this is your first question. This question, I think this is from CAT 2019, I think. As per I remember, this question is from CAT 2019. So try this question, then we'll discuss. Try this question, then give it a shot, then we'll discuss this thing. I'm giving you about 40 seconds, then we'll discuss this question. At any point, if you have any doubt or any queries, you can just put in the comment section. I'm having, not comment section, in the chat section, I'm having look at it, so that if you, okay, I think now we should discuss. Now we discuss. Just a second. So Mukesh purchased 10 bicycle in 2017. So this was question, I think maybe in 18 or 19, I don't remember. Uh, all the same price. Okay, so this is the important thing, same price. He sold 6 of these at 25% profit and the remaining at a 25% loss. Fine. If he made a total profit of this much, then his price purchase of bicycle. Fine. So basically what the question is asking, to find the total purchase price of bicycle, total price purchase of bicycle. So what so this approach, again I'm going to tell, like this I have been telling before the exam, same on the same concept the question has been asked. If you know this concept, you can solve this question very easily, else also it will not be much problem, but like it may be a little complicated. But if you go by that approach that I'm going to tell, this question becomes very simple. Okay, so this approach is this one. Just see, he sold 6 of 10, 6 of 10 at 25% profit with the plus sign, remaining 4 of 10 at 25% loss, that's why minus sign. This will give you the overall profit or loss, whatever it is. If it is positive, you will get the positive, you are getting the profit. If it is negative, you are getting the loss, profit or loss percentage overall. Okay, so if you, how much this will be, 150, 15 and 10, so that is 5. So positive 5, so this is profit equals to 5%. So on the whole transaction, there will be a profit of 5% on this whole transaction. Is this clear? Like I hope this is clear. In this whole transaction, Mukesh would have profit of 5%. Mukesh would have profit of 5%. So on 5% profit, 5% profit, he made a total profit of, so this 5% of x is equals to 2000. So this x will be 4,000. This x will be 4,000. No? 5%. This is his total price. So 5%. So this will be 4,000, I think. If he made a total profit of 20, yeah. Okay. Fine. So this is the basically this what we got here. This is 10 now, so this will be multiplied also. This not doubt here. Not this will be 4. Okay, you don't need to worry about, because this 10 is there. If like something option was there 400 and 4,000, then like 40,000, then we need to like thought of there anything else. We don't need to think anything. If their answer will be directly, because we have only this option there, that is as a 4,000. So basically what this is, price of one is this, one bicycle is this. Okay, and on this is the profit on the 10. Okay, this is the profit on the 10. Okay, so that's why 4,000 will the right answer. 4,000 will the right answer. Just this concept that I want to tell here, you must understand the first concept that I will, how to find the overall profit or loss. Fine. Let's come to the next one. So again, this is your CAT 2017 question. Try, I'm giving about 1.5 minutes, then we'll discuss. This I'm giving you 1.5 minutes, then we'll discuss. Quickly try this question. If Fatima sells 60 identical toys at 40% discount on the printed price, then she makes a profit of 20%. 10 of these toys are destroyed in fire. Okay, while rest, how much discount should he given on the printed so that he can make the same amount of profit? Okay. So I think in the exam there was options also for this question. Clear? The previous question was clear. There was not any issue. Just learn that part. After that, like if options were like 400, 4,000, then we need to worry. Else just quickly mark. You don't need also to think that 10 bicycles and all the things. Fine. So if Fatima sells 60 identical toys at 40% discount on the printed price. Then she makes anyone got answer, quickly just let me know. Just type your answers and queries in the chat box, chat section there. %28. Okay, so let's discuss. 60 identical toys, 40. So again, just see this thing. Like in the normal questions, you'll give like only this will not mentioned. But you see this here, both are the cat question. This thing is given. Just this thing is there just to get confuse you. Okay, nothing else. Questions will be simple. These are same. Just like if you see in that normally in the book, you'll not get like this thing will not be mentioned many times. Okay, but in the cat they give you this thing just unnecessary to confuse you. Okay, so if the Fatima sells toys at 40% discount, okay, so 40% discount. So let's suppose marked price is x, so selling price will be 0.6x, simple. And so whenever you have these type of questions, always write in this order: cost price, marked price, selling price. Okay, just try to follow this order. This will be little helpful, not like anything else, but this will be just as I told, like I always keep telling this thing, try to focus on simplification of your calculation, not try to learn faster calculation. Focus on simpler calculation, focus on simplify your calculations. Okay, so these are the things that help you to simplify your calculations. Okay, instead of focusing on faster calculation, focus on simplifying your calculations. Okay, I hope you are getting my point. So this thing is there. So and then she makes 20% profit. So 20% profit, so what will the value of cost price? So on 0.6, so basically this will be 0.5. You can check also 20% profit. So this cost price, so this will be 5. So this is there. Now 10 of toys, so for this is for 60 toys when Fatima has 60 toys. Now what the statement is here, 10 of these toys are destroyed. Now Fatima has only 50 toys. Okay, cost price for Fatima is same. Cost price Fatima right now, cost price is still for Fatima is 60. For Fatima, cost price is same, but now he will be getting price only for 50. He will be selling, he can like he or not he, she can sell only 50 toys there. Okay, she cannot sell 60 because 10 is destroyed there. Now while selling how much, so now they have asked how much. So for the 50, so this how much should be, so she need to get the same amount. Okay, she need to get the same amount. Fine, so same amount, that means the profit should not change there, so like if you take here, it will be your 30 here. If you multiply with the this 60, you'll get the 30x here. So that 30x here, if you write here how much this was, 0.6, selling price 0.6. So 36, now 36x by 36x by now here, now she has 50 toys, so 50 is this, so you get here 0.7 536 50 half to 72. Basically what I have done here, 2 into 2. Okay, so this 100.7x. So this if you see here, where was our was marked price, is x. So basic, not this is not here, this is here, this is at cost price. So this is at cost price, this is not, just a second. We will just a statement read how much discount. Okay, we are talking about discount, so he given on the printed price. Okay, so printed price will remain x, we need to check discounts. So for making the same profit, what will be changed? Cost price will remain same, for Fatima, and marked price is also same. Just if we change this discount part, if she change this discount part, their profit will increase, because now she need to increase the profit. Okay, so one thing you can also do, like this is a 40% discount, like I'm just telling this thing, if in the options you get like 40, 42, like you get 44, and one option is there like 20, 28 is the 28 answer you have got, so 28, and other option is 48. So in this option you can directly mark 28 as answer. Okay, fine, because now a discount should be less than 40%. Okay, this thing I just I want to tell, but I think in the option that was not that all the options were less than 40, most probably. So now what I have calculated there, now you have 50 there, now you have 50 there. Earlier selling price was 60 into 60, 60 into 0.6, that was 36x. Now you have just 50, and this will be your, so this 2 into 2, 0.72x. So this is there, so 0.72 the marked price, how much discount you'll get here, 28%. So then you will reach to the 72x. Simple. Okay, just this thing here, fine. So this way you will deal with these type of questions. Just remember this, like here again this concept was there, you have to follow this rule, then your calculations will be easier, nothing else. So this was in 2019, I remember this question. Solve this one, solve this one. A shopkeeper sales, I'm giving you 1.5 minutes, then we'll discuss. Two tables each procured means like taken at or purchase at cost price P. So means P is the price that shopkeeper has paid to Amal and Asim at a profit of 20% and loss. Okay, Amal sales his table to Bimal. Okay, so many statements, so many like statement there, but question I think will be simpler. Question should not be a difficult, anything should not be difficult there. So many statements there, nothing else. Try this, then we'll discuss. Try this, then we'll discuss. X minus y, you need to find the value of x. So it may be theta question, it may be theta, I didn't remember, but it may be theta question. Wherever like they try to make this thing, they may, that may be theta question, I didn't remember, but that may be, may or may not be, that's a different thing. So don't think they can, like they can't ask you particular type of questions in the theta form. They can make any question in the theta form with the help of this multiplication part, multiplication or division part there. Anyone got answer, guys? Quickly, like this, I know there will be little delay, but if you have got answer, just quickly type your answer. Okay, I will start after 30 seconds. If you have got answer, quickly type your answer. Should we start? Ek Shinli, have you got answer? Your name is. Do you have got, anyone got answer? Okay, let's see. Maybe there may be little delay. So a shopkeeper sells two table, each procured at cost price P. So cost price for each table is P. To Amal. Okay, so there are too many like chains there. Okay, one cost to one. Okay, so to Amal and Asim. So to Amal and Asim, for the Amal at 20% profit. So for the Amal, cost price becomes this one. For the Asim, cost price becomes 20% loss, na? So 0.8p. Fine. Fine. And Amal sales is stable to Bimal at 30% profit. Amal sales to Bimal. Amal sales to Bimal on this price 30% profit. So 30% profit. Is this fine? I hope I am doing the right. Asim sales is at 30% loss. Asim sales is 30% loss to Barun. To Barun, 30% loss, so it means 0.8 into 0.7p. Now, so this is x, this is y. This is x, this is y. We need to find x minus y upon p. So x minus y, so that is 12, 36, basically 130 and 156. 156 minus 56.56. P upon P. So this is 1. So 1 is the answer. Oh, yeah, 1 is the right answer. Fine. So let's come to the next one. Solve this one. A retailer calculated his profit percentage on selling price. So generally your cost profit is calculated at the what we call cost price, but instead of calculating on the sale cost price, retailer calculated it at a selling price and obtained this much profit if he had marked up the cost price by 100% before offering a certain discount. What are the percent discount offered by him? Again, that type of question. Quickly try, then we'll discuss. I'm giving about 1 minute, then we'll be discuss. A retailer calculated his profit on selling price instead of cost price. Generally, we calculate our profit on cost price. So on, I think on selling price we calculate, that is called margin. That is called margin. Something kind. A retailer calculated. Okay, try this question. Then we'll discuss. You need to find a discount offered by him. Percentage discount. So these type like questions seems to be confusing. Lot of like things is there, but if you follow proper step that I just told, like first cost price, mark price, selling price, then it will not be any issue. This questions will become easier. Just follow step by step thing. You will not face any problem. Okay. No, I think now we should start. You guys, if you get the answer, you can put in the chat section. Okay, fine. A retailer calculated his profit. So for this type of questions, so we'll just write the thing that they are saying. 37.5% profit. So you all know fraction conversion of this is 3 by 8. Okay, 3 by 8. So this is your selling price minus cost price upon 3 by 8. So just solve this. 8 SP minus 8 CP equals to 3 SP. So this will give you relation between SP and CP. So what is this? 5 and 8. 5 SP equals to 8 CP. You will get this thing. So basically SP equals to 8 by 5 CP. Fine. So if we see, I told cost price, marked price and selling price. So 3 prices. If we had marked up the cost price by 100%, if you have marked up the cost price, so suppose cost price was X, so mark price will be 2X. And before, so if this is there, let's take cost price as X, so selling price will be 8 by 5X. So let's just simplify our calculation again, 5X, 10X and 8X. So what you need to find here, what was the discount? So discount will be provided here. Okay, markup is done here. Markup is done here. Discount is provided here. So that is 20% discount. Yeah, Costo has got right. Fine. Solve this one. I'm giving about 1.5 minutes. Then we'll discuss. Profit earned by selling an article is 20% more than the loss incurred by selling the article for this much. Find the cost price of the article. So I think this is enough. No. One more question of profit and loss. Then we'll see the mixture allegation, time and work, SIC and all these things. So profit earned by selling an article. Just let me the answer, guys. profit earned by selling an article at this much price is 20% more than the loss incurred by selling the article for this much. Find the cost of the article. You need to find the cost of the article. Quickly try, then we'll discuss. Last 30 seconds. Okay, 1000. Fine. So let's see. So profit earned by selling an article at this much. So profit. So let's take cost price. So like you have seen that type of question. Just let me explain that thing also here. So how to deal with that type question, like this type question I'm talking about. I will come back to this question. Like by selling four articles, suppose Ram, by selling four articles, he's getting the profit equals to the selling price of five articles, or like two articles, okay, whatever this is. So for these type of questions, what we do, I will take cost price of selling article as CP, like let's take A, and selling price as B. So what I will do, Ram makes profit by selling four articles. So selling four articles, profit equals to selling price of two articles. So this will be my equation, and from this equation I will get the ratio of cost price selling price upon cost price. That will give us the profit percentage. I hope this is clear. Like instead of going any other way, this is the best approach for this type of question, because by reading this question I just like thought of this thing. So I thought I like just tell this thing also. Okay, profit earned by selling an article. So profit earned means selling price minus cost price equals to at 160 selling an article. So selling price is this, is 20% more than the loss incurred by loss means cost price minus selling the article at 950. Simple. From this equation we'll get the value of CP. Anyone has doubt? Anyone has doubt in this thing? Just let me know, else it is simple. And so 12 into 95, so 12 5 60. Okay, let me do 12 5 60, 12 9 108 and 614 $114. Just check the calculation, guys. Okay, there may be like errors. So this will be plus, so 3.2 and this will also get added. This will get added 6 10 2 2. Fine. Is this fine? There 0.32. So it 125 into some okay, this is 2.2. Sorry, this is 2.2. Okay, so that is 1000. Yeah, CP equals to 1000, right? X only which part X only which part you are asking for? Repeat. Is this okay? Just let me write that equation again. Just this equation, initial equation was important. Okay, if you understand the initial equation, there will not be any problem. Just let me repeat the equation. Profit earned by selling at this price. Yeah, profit earned by selling an article at this much price. So selling price minus cost price, this is the profit. X only, just think this is the profit, and 20% more than the loss. So loss will be cost price minus selling price. So just this equation, from this equation we'll get the cost price. Fine. Let's come to the next one. X only, everything just let me, this equation is fine. Just do the calculation. I think we'll get the 1000. That's not an issue. Calculation part you can just do. Try this question, then we'll discuss. So this concept is basically your faulty weight weighing machine concept. Okay, weighing machine concept. Try this. A trader uses a faulty weight 1 kg weight and use a faulty 1 kg weight such that even after selling his goods at a discount price of 10% of his rate of purchase, he managed to make a profit of 10%. Okay, and find the actual weight. You need to find the what will the weight of 1 kg. Like if you put 1 kg on that pan, how much that reading will show there. You need to find that thing. This is the question. If I have observed one thing till now, whatever question I have solved, that is one type of approach that is called the your multiplying factor. Okay, that I have been using. So that will be used. That will be also used here in this question. If you are able to use that thing, again, that these are the approach to simplify your calculations. Okay, so if you use this thing properly, you'll be able to simplify your calculations. So that's why I'm using the multiplying factor thing here. So again, you have, if you find here, if you get the respective multiplying factor for weighing machine, for faulty thing there, you will be able to get that thing. Okay, just solve this question, then we'll discuss. I'm giving you 1 minute. A trader uses a faulty 1 kg weight such that even after selling his goods, okay, he managed to make a profit of 10%. Find the actual weight. Find the actual weight. Basically, not actual weight. You need to find the weight that this 1 kg weight measures. Okay, that 1 kg will show there. Not that thing. So we start. Anyone got answer? This was like I was expected. There may be delay. Okay, there may be delay. Okay, just write your answers. Whatever you've got. Let's see. So simple thing. Again, a trader is a faulty it such that even after selling his goods at a discount price of 10% of his rate. Yeah, that may be right. Okay, we'll check. So just see this equation. This should not take that much time. Okay, this should not take that much time. Let's see there. He managed to make a profit of 10%. Find the actual weight. Okay, so 10% का discount है. So discount will be go this side. Profit is this side. And this is your multiplying factor related to weighing machine. So value of weighing machine is reading upon actual weight. Okay, so now FW equals to your this 1 upon 0.9. This is there equals to reading. We have to find the reading. Actual weight is 1000. Actual weight is 1000. Yeah, actual weight is 1000. So that will be our answer. No, 90 by 11. Is this fine? I have done right or wrong? Is this right now? 90 by 11 squared. Trader is just faulted. We need to find the. Just check, guys. This thing. Is this right or not? Are you able to understand this part? Just let me know. This the seller, he managed to make a profit of 10%. No? He managed to make a profit of 10%. Is this fine? Is this fine? Just let me know. From here we get the reading. This is the reading part. From here we'll get the what the reading you will get there. So just calculate this part. Whatever you'll be getting the answer. Is this reverse or like what is there? Reading upon actual weight. Actual weight is the this one, and we need to find that thing. So if we put there, so it is reading upon actual weight. Fine. Discounted 10% minus to profit of 10%. Amrit, just let me know. Is this fine now? Like just let me know also if there is any error or something I've done. I think just as right now I'm thinking this is fine. If you guys are like, if you have any other like thing, so maybe I may be also wrong. Okay, I'm not saying that I'm 100% right, but as per this concept, this is right. If you have logic, just let me know. Fine. Okay, so we move to the next one. So like just calculate this thing, you'll get the answer. So I think 1000. So this is 1000 here. So 11 here, and 1100 upon 9. So 9 1 something, will get the answer. Let's come to the next one. So solve this one, try this one, then we'll discuss. Try this one, then we'll discuss. Try this one, then we'll discuss. There are two vessels. So this is from your alligation and mixture concept. This is your from alligation and mixture concept. So basically this is like one type of question. There you remove some part there you remove some part and then you add your some part, this type of questions. Anyone got answer? There are two vessels containing two mixtures of acid having different concentration. A contains 80 liter and B contains 60 liter. 2x liters are taken out from one vessel and that put into the other, and x liter from this to that alligation mixture type of questions. Okay. One. Okay. Okay. Just a second. Okay, just a second. Let me just read this thing. Find the actual weight that faulty 1 kg weight measures. Just a second. Let me just check. This is wrong. Find the actual weight that faulty 1 kg weight measures. Is this like, I'm not able to, maybe they are asking if you are saying that thing. So that if reading will be, definitely this will be answer. If it is asking about like, as per my reading I'm getting, you guys have find reading or you guys have find measurement. Like if you guys have find the actual weight, or like if what answer you guys are telling, that is actual weight. That is actual weight. Okay. What I am answer telling, that is the reading. I hope this is clear here. There is no confusion regarding this. Okay. What answer I am telling the reading part. 18 that you have shown, that is the answer regarding your actual weight. Is this clear? Like I think you guys fine. Is this thing fine? Is this question was clear? Because this should be clear in your mind, that reading upon actual weight. So see, just by this logic also, that suppose the 1000 is there. Suppose the 1000 is there. Okay, real weight is 1000. Okay, so that should show more on the machine. That should more go by this logic now. That should show more there on the, like, okay. So if actual weight is 1000, that should show more on the machine now. So that, see this thing, that will show more on the machine. So that will show like something, whatever you take here, that will be 919 and 9 that after 191 9 to 18. So something this kind of there. So if that will be there, then only he will be able to make profit now. If suppose whatever you guys have found 18, suppose this shows, so that will be the loss now. Like he will put more there and machine will show less, so you'll get paid for less. Is this there or not? Is this there or not? So if the question is asking about like if the question is asking about actual weight, then you guys are right. Like then you guys are right. Else just be clear with this thing. Just leave out this statement. Just be clear with this equation. Fine. Leave out the statement like actual weight or whatever they are asking. Just clear with this statement. This equation. Okay. So this type of questions, one answer extremely has got. So for this type of question, there are two vessels containing two mixtures. So one, like for this I have told you, if you have attended my classes like on Unacademy, so you'll get this thing, this direct formula I have told you. But direct formula will work when same quantity is removed. Okay, this was x. Suppose this was x liter was removed and x liter. So this formula will work, x equal to ab upon a plus b, that you will get the directly answer. But for this it will not work. Okay, for okay, for this type of, it will not directly work. This formula will not work when they will give. So for this I have told you also basic approach. So this approach you have to follow every time. This very simple approach. So what I will assume here, two mixture of different concentration. A has 80 liter acid and B has 60 liter acid. Okay, so 80 liter acid, so that means their concentration is different. Okay, so I'll assume here A has a like 80% complete acid. A has a complete acid, and B is a pure, like you can say water or whatever mixture is, like concentration is given there. So like some water will be there, some acid will be there. Okay, so I will assume this thing has a complete acid, this thing has a complete water. Is this fine? Is this fine? As concentration is given, so that's why I'm taking acid, that thing. This complete is, this is acid, this is pure water. So now what I will do, 2x liter was taken out from vessel A. So from A, 2x is taken out, fine. From this, x is taken out, fine. And this 2x is added here and this x is added here. This thing is done from B and poured into, yeah, this thing has been done. This thing has been done. So here your acid will be 80 minus 2x. Your water will be this x here. Here, here your acid will be your acid will come here only. No? Acid will be 2x, water will be 60 minus x. So this is acid, this is water. Just keep checking the ratios, the calculation what I am doing here. Okay, so this is there. So now the concentration becomes equal, so this ratio will be equal. 80 minus 2x upon x equals to 2x upon 60 minus x. Fine. Now from there you will get the answer for the x. So simplifying our calculation, like you know in the ratios, a by b, a2 by b2 is equals to a1 plus a2 plus upon b1 plus b2. So again focus on simplifying calculation instead of learning fast. Okay, so just add these two. I will get 80 here. Is this fine? No? 80. I have written right now this 2x, this is the acid. Acid will come here and this is the acid, fine. So this is this you will get 60, this you will get 60. So basically this you get 80 minus 2x equals to 8x and this 6x here. So 6x just cancelled, 4, 3. So 240 minus 3 है ना, 3 का 6x, 4x. So x equals to 24. X is the 24. X is the 24. Any doubt there, guys? Just let me know. So you guys have got 1, 10, 10 as answer, but 24 is the right answer. Is this approach? Do you guys know the approach? If you know this approach, so maybe calculation or something. If you don't know approach, just let me know. I will repeat this again. If you understand this approach or not. Anyone, like if you don't know the approach, just let me know. Else, like this is fine. This will be the answer. 24 will be the answer. So find the value of x. Na? So value of x, fine. Amrit, Sukhad. What is 1? Exactly, what is 1? What is 1? Question asking about find the value of x. Na? What is 1? What is 1? Is this fine? This approach is clear. Anyone has doubt in this approach? Quickly just let me know. Anyone want to like repeat this? Just let me know. Sukhad, is this clear? Sukhad, Amrit, not 10. Just let me also check the calculation. Like maybe I have done something. This 80 minus 2x was fine. This 2x upon 60 minus x, x has gone. This has gone. Fine. I think I have done right. Calculations part are also right. So 80 liter only acid given, not the whole solution. No, mixtures of acid. See, mixture of acid. These are mixture of acid. Okay, that solution is called acid. This is a A acid, this is a B acid. Like if you have two milk solution, like okay, you call them milk now, that A type of 40 liter milk, B type of 30 liter milk. That type of statement is there. Is this clear? Amrit, statement is written in this manner: A type of acid is 80 liter, B type of acid is 60 liter. Like if you have mixture, if you have milk solution that 10% concentration, something different concentration, so what happened there? There will be written A type of milk is 40 liter. That will called milk now. That mixture will called milk. Is this fine? Amrit, is this clear? What I'm trying to say? Fine, no? Yeah, fine, fine. No problem, no problem. Sukhad, is this thing clear? Sukhad, and just let me know this approach is clear. If you don't know, like this is the important thing there. This approach, if you don't know, just go think this thing again, okay? Else no issue. Calculation part and like misinterpret, no issue. But try to improve on that thing, okay? So solve this again, mixture and alligation question. Solve this one. From 100 liter of milk, 10 liter of water is added, and then 20 liter of. So these are the questions, like just checking your very minute concepts, okay? If you are good with the concepts, you will be easily able to solve these questions. If you are not good with the concepts, you will not be like, you will struggle in these questions. So these are not difficult questions, these are just simple questions, just testing your concepts. So these type questions comes in the CAT. Okay, in the CAT there will not be hardly any difficult questions. Questions will be simpler, just checking your yeah, that happens, Amrit. In the YouTube session, I think this is there. There is of 30-40 seconds, I think. I don't know how much, but there's delay. Okay, there's delay in the comments, and like delay is from my side. The voice, my voice is reaching with the delay of something 20-40 seconds. Message is not delay. Message on time. My voice reached to you with the delay of something 20 or 40 seconds. Okay, so I think we should start. We should discuss this thing. So let me check this. This is the important concept there. Okay, let me quickly finish this thing. Again, I am telling these questions are important. If you are not able to follow my approach, no issue. Try to learn my approach if you can, because there is not enough time to learn new approaches. But important thing is to doing this question, to solve this question. Okay, if you are not able to follow my approach, no issue. Whatever approach you are using, but do these questions before CAT. This about 100 question in these 7 sessions. Do these questions before CAT. Okay, whatever approach you are using, that doesn't matter. If you are able to follow my approach, that is the best thing. But if you are not able to follow, no issue there, but do the questions. Okay, so whenever you have this type of question, like I hope you in the mixed alligation formula, this is the formula, you know. In this formula, okay, okay. So see this thing, milk will be 100 liter milk is there initial, 10 liter of water is added, so now solution become 110, 20 liter is removed, now solutions become 90, again next 30 liter is added, now solution become 120, and 20 liter is removed, solution become 100. So here I will get the quantity amount of milk. This is our answer. But suppose, yeah, 750 by 11. But suppose I think 750 by 11 most probably 11 is there, yeah. But suppose the question was different. Suppose the question was asking about there cannot be changed. Oh, no issue. Suppose the question was water. Okay, so don't like just calculate this part and write the answer. You need to subtract that part. Fine. So this was simple. I hope you have like know this approach. Again, important part is you have to do these questions. Solve this one. Okay, do this question as your homework. Try after the class. Let's come to this question. If we have time, we'll go back to that question. That is simple. I will be just using the normal concept, nothing else. Just check this. I hope you know this concept. Just try this question. Sam can complete a work in X plus 9 days. Anna can takes X plus 16 days to complete the same work, whereas working together both can complete the work in X days. Ram, a friend of both, can complete the same work in 42 days. Okay. If Ram starts the work, then joined by Sam and Anna, one after next day. Okay. uh, find the time taken to complete the thrice work in similar manner. Okay, so the important part here in this question, so like what happened now, now we all know that this concept x square equals to ab, this concept. Okay, so this concept is what I just want to tell. We will not solve this question completely, we'll just see this thing, this concept just I want to tell. So because everyone now know this concept, okay, so that question, this question only cannot be there directly. Okay, maybe they will increase the question, this is the just incremental question, this is just added there. Okay, this information is just added there, this is the normal approach. Here the main thing is to find the x. Once we got the x, we can solve the question, there no issue. So I will tell you how to find the x. So I hope you guys are aware of this concept. So suppose a and b together take x days to complete a work. In x days a and b together finishes, but when working alone, a takes 4 days more, b takes 9 days more. Okay, this type of question. So here x will be x square equals to 4 into n, that means x equal to 6. So same thing is written there, same thing is written there. Sam can complete work in x plus 9 days. Okay, whereas x is the time, whereas x is the time when both are working together. When working together, they can complete work in x days. But when Sam is working alone, he takes x plus 9 days. Anna working like complete the same work, Anna takes x plus 16 days more. So x square equals to 16 into 9 or not, so x equals to your 12. Is this clear? Anyone has doubt? Now you can solve the question. Is this fine? Now you can solve the question. Just. Is this clear? Ek Senli, Amrit, everyone just let me Sukhad. Is this clear? Fine now. Now you can, like, whatever they are asking, you can do, like that is a simple your simple time and work question. Now this becomes just a simple time and question. You get the work W. So 12. So this is 12 9, that is 21. Sam can complete 21, and 12, that is how much? 28 days. So Sam can complete work in 21 days, and Anna can complete 28 days, and Ram can complete in a work in 41 days. So now what I should take the work, 7 is there, 7, and 3 is also there, 7 3, and 4 is there. So 7 3 21, like 84 na 84 will work, not 84. Yeah, 84 will work. This is 42, this is 42, this is 42. 80, so per day work will be 4, per day work will be 3, per day work will be 2. Now Ram start the work. So Ram start the work joined by Sam and Sam and Anna, one after next day. So after next day they will be joined. So first day Ram has worked alone. After, so Ram will do 2 unit work in one day. So 82 unit work is left there, and but work is thrice. Okay, so just do the calculations. 160. Okay, 160 is also fine. 160, but HCF, will talk about HCF will be 84. Not HCF, LCM. LCM will be 84. I may just check. LCM will be 84, but like you can take also 160. Not issue there. You can take any value whatever comes in your mind, but that should be multiple with all the values. Just this thing is there. Okay, but just check your LCM concepts. LCM is 84, not 68. Okay, fine. Let's we have these questions. Okay, we have these two. Okay, let's do first this one. Let's do this one question, then 2 questions, last 2 questions will be your homework. Last two questions will be your homework. Yeah, fine. Like you can take 162 68, that is not issue, okay, but the issue is that LCM is not 168. Fine, solve this one quickly, quickly. Just try this. Then Amal invested, okay, let's do it together. Let's do it together. So Amal invested 12k. Amal invested 12k at the interest of 8%, at interest of 8%. Fine. And compounded annually, and 10k at 6%. 10k at 6%. So compounded semi-annually. So these are two different. Compounded semi-annually. So when compounded semi-annually, when compounded semi-annually means half yearly. When compounded half yearly means your interest rate will get halved. Your interest rate 6% will become 3%, 3%, and your years, that is for 1 year, so that becomes 2 year. Okay, so this thing will be there. So okay, we'll come to that part. And then whereas Bimal invest is 7.5% simple interest for 1 year. Okay, if Amal and Bimal get the same amount of interest, okay, we have to equate the interest. We have to equate the interest. So we can find the amount of interest, this one. So 12 ka 8% will be 12k ka 8% will be 960, 960, 960 amount there, 960 amount there. And 10 ka 10k ko we will break for 2 years, that I told here, 10,000 break. So for the 2 year at the rate of 3%, so 3% will be 300. So second year 300, and then 3% of this, so 609, 609. I hope you all are like aware of this concept. Just check the calculation part. I'm not taking responsibility for calculation. Okay, and this is the thing. So this amount is equals to 7.5% of something. So just do the calculation. This x will be your answer. This x will be your answer. Fine. So whenever you have compounded semi-annually, we have to just do this thing. Same way, you like basically you have to find this ratio. This you have to deal with this ratio side, like 6, like 4 quarterly, and like whatever this is there. Okay. So these two questions are your homework. This is also from your CAT. Okay, and this is a good question. This you have to try. Okay, just give it a try. And if you're not able to solve, then you can connect with me. You can message me. We can discuss that. There's a simple question, like if you understand the installment properly, you will be able to solve. If you have remembered any formulas, you will not be able to solve. Fine. If you have learned any shortcuts, any ratio method, you will not be able to solve. But if you know the concept, you will be able to solve this question very easily. And one more thing, you in the CAT there is calculator, so make proper use of calculator. Don't unnecessary use calculator, and also it should not be like there should not be always the resistance to use calculator. Okay, you have, there is calculator, so utilize this must. Okay, it should not be like I will not use calculator. Okay, this mindset should not be there in the exam. You have to use the calculator wherever it is required. Okay, don't use unnecessary. Just this is my suggestion, but use. Okay, don't hesitate there. Don't try to apply your faster calculation technique. Just use calculator. That will save your time and also give your confidence that yeah, whatever I have got, that is the right answer. Is this fine? Hardly difference of 1 or 10 second, 1 to 5 second, that can be there, but you will be sure of your answers. And maybe you get like stuck in your calculations at the end, then you are using the calculator. So it is better in the first go itself use the calculator. Is this fine? So guys, if you have any queries, any question, you can just put in the chat section. Else that's it for today. So tomorrow we'll be coming with the geometry, and last so we have 2 sessions for the geometry. Tomorrow we'll do the geometry, a few questions from triangle and all the important questions there in the geometry. And the next session will be also on geometry, and like a few suggestions that will be our like the next session, our last session for this topic. So again, I'm repeating, this is very important, guys. Like definitely you must be doing something. CAT is about 3-4 days left there, so definitely you are doing something. You are like revising the concept, so it is also important. Just do this question along with that also. Okay, it will hardly take not much more than like 1 and 2 hour, but definitely it will be helpful if you keep doing this on regular basis. That will be more helpful. If don't pile up the things. Okay, if it would have been, what I would do, I would like just why I didn't make a one class only, okay, a funded question. I break this thing because I want you to daily 10 12 questions. Okay, so just try to follow these things, not like just you will be thinking that on the Saturday I will take all these questions and solve on the Saturday. This should not be there. Okay, do this on daily basis, then will be only it will be helpful. Fine, because it is involving all overall concepts up there, so if in the one day it will be problem to understand this thing. So that's it for today, you all guys. So one again, like visit to my profile. Like I don't think right now if you have time, but if you have any confusion in any concept, you can visit to my profile. You can watch that session. I think that will help you to clarify your concepts. Like a small topic, like if you have confusion the logs, you can go to the my profile section and you can visit. You can see the uh, like topic related to the log, your confusions, all the that will be get cleared. We cannot say anything regarding that which slots will be better, but definitely slot 1 is not better. Just this thing only we can say. Slot 2, I think that is the best. Slot 2 and 3, that they have actually, they will get that thing, that yeah, these are the number of questions. But slot 1, this very very problematic. How they guys, like, this is like, I will say this is injustice to these people. This is unfair to these slot 1 peoples. But this is the life, we can't say anything. Okay, this is definitely injustice to the slot 1 people, because if they change, like I expect them to make different patterns for all these things, but then it will be like difficult to normalize the things. Okay, so it's not a, like they must have given the exact pattern before the CAT, but they haven't, so it is unfair to the slot 1 people. Okay, so that's it for today, guys. Thank you all for joining this session. But important part, must visit to my profile, like if you are preparing for OMET. So right now as CMAT course is going on, if someone is plus subscriber there, you can join for the CMAT course there. Similarly, like if you are 2021 aspirant soon, like from the 30th November itself, one course is starting for the CAT 2021, so you can join there. If you are plus subscriber, definitely you can join all these plus courses. If you are not a plus, you can visit to my profile. You can watch all the special classes that are free of cost. You have to just make one account, nothing else. Okay, fine. So that's it for today. So if you're planning to purchase plus, use my referral code, you'll be getting instant discount 10% there. So that's it for today. Let's meet tomorrow at same time, and all the best for your exam. I hope, like, definitely you're gonna get a great